In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install OTT Navigator app on Smart TV. So in order to do that, you first need to head over into your TV and then from in there, make sure that you have an Android Play Store. If you have an Android operating system, you should be able to have a Google Play Store right there. But if you have LG or Samsung, they have a built-in app store from there as well. Head over to your actual store and then click on the search bar and search right here for OTT. You can search for OTT Navigator or OTT Player as well. Now you should be able to find right here this installation option. So for this case, just proceed to click on install in order to successfully install it on your TV. Once you have installed it, you should be able to access right here your live stream, TV guide, media library, as well as other options to choose from into this particular list. Here are some options as well on how the interface would look like, so you can just proceed to install it and use it as usual. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.